Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cake using Oreo biscuits. First, gather your ingredients. About 15 to 20 Oreo biscuits, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Next, carefully separate the cream filling from the biscuits. Then, crush the biscuits into fine crumbs. You can use a blender for this or place them in a Ziploc bag and crush them with a rolling pin. Now let's prepare the batter. Take the cream filling you separated earlier and add it to your crushed Oreo crumbs. Gradually pour in about 1/2 cup of milk, mixing thoroughly until everything is well combined. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix until the batter is smooth and lump-free, ensuring all ingredients are fully incorporated for the best texture. It's time to bake your delicious Oreo cake. First, make sure to grease a small baking dish with a little butter or oil to prevent sticking. Then, carefully pour your prepared Oreo cake batter into the greased dish, spreading it evenly. Place it in a preheated oven and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Once your cake is baked, let it cool completely on a wire rack before you start decorating. This prevents any frosting or toppings from melting. You can garnish it with chocolate syrup, sprinkles, or even some extra crushed Oreos for a beautiful finish. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Now, slice it up and enjoy your homemade Oreo cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.